Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. A very happy new year to all you guys out there. A very happy 2021. I wish you all the abundance, all the health, wealth, happiness, good luck, opportunities, everything coming your way. May all your manifestations come true this coming year. And I am doing the monthly reads for January 2021. I have to get used to saying it because I posted it also wrong. I posted it January 2020. So this is January 2021 and I am done with just 5 reads so far and we are already into 2021. But yeah, I'll buck up. Don't worry. You'll get all the reads before midnight. 31st midnight. Okay, so let's see which sign comes up next. Yes, I was telling you guys that I'm done with Pisces, Sag, Cancer, Virgo, and Leo that I just took out. Okay, let's see which sign comes up next. So far the reads have been perfect. So this 2021 is bringing a lot of abundance in our lives, a lot of happiness in our lives. Let's see what comes up for our Librans. So Libra for January 2021. Okay, high vibrations are Librans. Good ones, like the positive high vibrations, not the full moon energy ones. I think the full moon only affected the Leos so far. Okay, so we have the King of Wands, the Queen of Swords, and the Magician in the recent past. Who's keeping a close eye on you? There's a person who's keeping a very close eye on you. Let me just take some clarifiers here for the King of Wands. Please clarify the King of Wands for our Librans. And let's clarify the Queen of Swords. Okay, Librans. So I do see someone keeping a very close eye on you in the recent past. Now you gotta figure out who this person is. Possibly a male, could be a female, but for most of you it's gonna be a male person who's and who's actually very restless to talk to you. So what they want to talk about is the Two of Cups. This person's interested. This person wants to approach you with their cup of love. This person wants to get married to you. And then came the full moon. Wow. And the energy changed. This full moon showed them something. Maybe you are already involved with someone else, or maybe you're not thinking about love right now. Maybe you have something else in your mind right now. So this full moon actually showed them what you are going forward towards, what you are more interested in, and they just turned their back. They just moved. They just took all their cups of love and they're just going in the other direction, in a different direction, with all these low vibes. Okay, And then comes our Queen of Swords, which is you here. Maybe this person, okay, so this person left because this person saw you looking, not looking towards them, because you are more interested in your own life. Maybe you're already married, or maybe you are already in a relationship with someone, so you were not looking towards them. Like, you see these two cards, this person was wanting to come towards you, but then you were looking somewhere else. You were more interested in something else in your life, and you were already very happy, celebrating. There's a lot of happiness, there's a lot of maybe party time, maybe a lot of things going on in your life. You're completely unaware of this person. You were not even thinking that this person's ever gonna approach you, because you're so cold, abrasive, authoritative. That's what this person thinks, and that's what I see here also. You're very, like, you're like the queen, like, you know I am who I am, don't mess with me. You're like that kind of a personality. So this person just turned their back, and they are going in a different direction, and that's because they saw you, that you're very outspoken, fiery, positive of course, but then still very cold, and a very brutal personality. So yeah, so that's what I see in the recent past. And then comes the Magician card here. um, let's see what the present situation says, and then we'll see this Magician card. Present situation for our Librans. Present situation for our Librans for the month of 2021. Please clarify the Magician here. Yeah, you were interested in someone else. You were definitely going towards someone else. Your cup of love is for someone else. You have the Ace of Cups here. I'm sorry, my throat, that's because of all this incense sticks. Yeah, your cup of love is for someone else, and you were thinking of approaching this other person, but then something happened that you did not approach this person, and eventually the whole situation ended on a very negative, bad note. Librans, you're not able to balance your career, your finances, and your love life. You're not able to make a balance between the two, because the other person who was coming towards you, somewhere you were interested in this person, somewhere it is showing that your cup of love was for this person, and you wanted them to approach you, but then this person went away looking at you, thinking that you're all in the celebration mode, because you have these pentacles all around you, you have all the happiness, you have all the wealth. You showed them a very different picture of yours, which is actually not true. You did not show them the true uh, personality that you are. You did not show them that you also want the same thing that this person wants, and eventually this situation ended. And you both, in the recent past, I see, are going in different directions, which then left you heartbroken. Now you are thinking about it, and you're like, why did that happen? That's because you did not show them the actual personality you are. This person thought you're very cold, you're very abrasive in your approach, and you're only concerned about your finances, you're only concerned about your wealth, and you're not concerned about love. You don't have, this person actually thought that you don't have them in your mind, you don't even think about them. But then the situation here that we see in terms of you is completely different. You have the Ace of Cups, you have the cup of love for this person. Wow. Okay. And then in the present situation, now you're thinking that you lost it all. And now what you're supposed to do, like, there's an end to this situation. Now what are you supposed to do? Which has left you heartbroken with the Three of Swords here. You feel cheated on, you feel decepted, you were expecting this person to come, but how this person's gonna come if you're showing them this kind of a personality? No one's gonna approach you. You did not. Maybe you were battling with something else in your mind that time. Maybe you were battling with your finances, maybe you were battling with your job, career, whatever. You were trying to calm yourself down, but that was the time when that opportunity came in front of you, and then now the opportunity is gone because you waited for your finances to become better. Now when you have the Ten of Pentacles, now you have all the pentacles towards you, now you have everything, but now you don't have the person. But this person's not yet gone. This person is still there, and it was all planned by the divine itself, by the universe itself. Because once you feel heartbroken, we do see that just in the next step, you got this person and you got your pentacles too. So that means both the things that you were losing out on, you got both of them all together. Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles and then we'll see the future situation for you guys. Wow. Like, it was so fast. Please clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Right. Okay, when this person left, you felt decepted, you felt frustrated, you felt jealous. You're like, why this person went? Now again, as I said, you're not able to balance your finances and your love life. Your love life went down, your finances started going down. You were not able to focus so much on your career, and now what happens? Again, your love life went down and your focus from the pentacles went down. Now after having all the pentacles, you are losing it all and you're thinking, oh my god, what am I supposed to do? What's happening with my life? And there's brightness. Universe never leaves us alone. Universe is always there to protect us. Universe is only gonna get you that far from where you can actually come back and pick yourself up. Universe knows how far universe can throw you. So then came the Star card. New opportunity, brightness, hope, happiness, and then you started planning. Then you started having all those hopes again. Then you're like, maybe these things can come true once again. Maybe I can get it all once again. Then you again started wishing, you again started manifesting. In the present situation, I do see you planning, manifesting the whole thing again. I do see you putting your focus on your work, putting your focus on your pentacles, and also side by side you are throwing your arrows of love towards the other person. You are showing them love. You are giving them some kind of hints, maybe through social media or whatever. You are telling them that you love them. And that's why you got the 10 of Pentacles so fast. You got your love, you got your finances all together, all at the same time. Because this time you focused together on both the things, and that is what Librans are all about. Balance. Librans can balance everything. Let's see what comes up for the future situation for you, Librans. Let's see your future situation for the month of January 2021. Stability. See, you're getting stronger day by day. And you are now being offered the cup of love. This time, be very careful. Do not miss out on any of the opportunity, be it in terms of your career, be it in terms of your love life. Librans is all about balance, so you have to take both the things together and balance it very properly. There's a lot of stability coming in the near future for you guys. You're getting very stronger, you're getting emotionally balanced. There are no delays now. The delay time is all gone. There are no delays. So you will be offered the cup of love. Focus on that too, along with your finances, because you have to balance it. Let's see what comes up for the overall situation for our Librans for January. Yeah, this person that you're dealing with is very gentle, emotional, very shy. So maybe this person would be a little more shy, but do not let the delays come in your life, because you are the magician. You can change it. Do not let these delays come. Sometimes delays are necessary. So whatever is happening in the present situation or is gonna happen, let that thing happen, because that's gonna help you make a balance in your life. That's gonna help you stay balanced. So if there's some kind of delays coming in terms of your love life, let it come. That is important, because the universe is giving you both the things together. Don't forget about this. Remember this card. Universe is keeping a very close eye on you. The High Priest is keeping a very close eye on you, and you're gonna get everything together. So right now, whatever is happening, let it happen. Delays will be there, but do not be disheartened. This is the time for you to gain stability in your emotions, to find balance in your emotions, in your life, in your love life, in your finances. Let's see what's the guidance that comes up for our Librans for the month of January 2021. Still not used to saying 2021. It's pretty tough. Okay, so what's the guidance for our Librans? Universe, please guide our Librans. Okay, these are two cards. Yeah, look deep. And you have to look inside you. Sometimes we do not accept what's going inside us. Maybe a part of you is telling you that you love this person, but your mind is not wanting to accept it. So look inside, and that's where you're gonna get all the truth from. That's what's gonna help you find a source, find a source to approach this person, and find a source to increase your wealth, because everything's coming in your life all together. So work on your solar chakra, and that's gonna give you abundance in terms of health, wealth, and also in terms of love. Okay, our solar chakra is actually the point where all our energy is stored. So it's the energy center. That's where you have to work on. That's why you're being so cold and brutal in front of everyone. Everyone's thinking you're so aggressive, very authoritative personality, because your solar chakra is overcharged. So whosoever it resonates with, balance your solar chakra. Maybe it is charged, it is not balanced because it's overcharged. So make sure you make a balance. And there are a lot of guided meditations also. If you need any kind of guidance in terms of how to balance your solar chakra or how to balance other chakras, or if you want a personal read with me, do let me know. I'll be posting all the links in the description box down below, or you can simply visit my website www.unitingflames.com and fill the contact form, and our team should be able to contact you. And once again, a very, very, very happy 2021 for all you guys out there. I am sorry for laughing, but yeah, a very happy 2021 for you guys. And if this read resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.